Okay, beautiful beings. I just wanted to show you a quick tip. Me and my daughter, Paige, one of my daughters, Paige, we're making cake pops, and we had those bamboo skewers, and she was cutting these off here. So I just want to show you. Just cut the tip off here. Cut that off there. This one's going to be a big one, but just so you can see better. It went flying. There it is. And then you just take some yellow. I already painted it orange. Just take some yellow, go around it. Wait for that to dry. You might need 2 coats. Depends on your preference. And then you put white on the tip when the yellow's dry. And voila, you have little candy corns to use on your embellishments. Okay, have a beautiful everything.